We are asked to solve this. So start by writing solution. Solution, we have 7 plus x divided by 17 plus x is equals to 6 over 11. So cross multiply. So 11 times this, we have 11 into 7 plus x is equals to 6 into 17 plus x. So next we expand. So 11 times 7 is 77. Then 7 is 77. So write 77 plus 11 times x of 11x is equals to 6 times 17 is 102 plus 6 times x is 6x, like this. The next we can say collide terms. There's those ones that look alike on one side. Alright, collide terms. So we can see here 11x negative 6x, because if you transfer this, because negative 6x is equals to 102 negative 77. Alright, let me write at the top there, it is better. So we have 11x here, negative 6x is equals to 102 negative 77. So 11 negative 6, we have positive 5x is equals to 102 minus 77, we have 35. Alright, so next we have to divide. You divide both sides by 5, which is the coefficient of x. So we can say 5x is equals to 35. We have x is equals to 35 over 5. So we have x is equals to 5. Thank you very much, and see you guys in my next video.